Hello everyone! Hello Philippines! Hello Canada! Hello to all around the world! Sa araw na to ay pupunta kami sa church dahil Sunday ngayon. Day off ni Clinton kaya kami magkasama ngayon. Magbabus kami ngayon papuntang church. First time ko nga palang mag-take ng bus dito. Diyan, ang waiting station ng bus dito. Yan, naghintay na kami. May ite-text ka nga pala na code para malaman kung anong bus ang sasakyan. Hindi ko na na-videohan ang pagsakay at pagpunta sa church. May Bible verse tayo ngayon, Corinthians 9 verse 7. Each one must give as he has decided in his heart, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. After na church, pumunta kami kumain sa Korean restaurant. Andito na tayo! Yan, pumasok na kami sa loob. Pangatlong beses na kami pumunta dito since dumating kami dito sa Canada. Tingin-tingin muna sa menu. Guess mo kung anong favorite dish namin. Yan, aura-aura muna bago kumain. Char! Yan ang paborito naming kainin ni Clinton. Kamjatang is a pork bone soup. It's a spicy Korean soup made from the spine or neck bones of a pig. Kaya pag nagawi kayo sa Korean restaurant, you must try this. Working abroad is a busy schedule for a couple, and you need to find time to be together, eating together, and savor every moment. Thank you for watching. This is your Provinciana girl in Canada. Until our next vlog, have a great day ahead. Bye!